のかわいい、かっこいい、すごい。
Yes. Thank you. ありがとうございます。We're here at Musicians Institute for Silent Siren. Yeah, you should do it again.
Do it again.
You should do a pan. You should like go
Pan down. Pan up or pan down?
This. You pan from
Oh, pan from here. Okay. Ready?
We're here at Musicians Institute for Silent Siren. God, if people are watching me, I'm embarrassed.
We're together. Yeah,
We're-
but I'm just going with him. So choose and take it.
ジャパニーズベニア。
ありがとう。Thank you. I'm gonna put it on.
I usually give gifts to the artists. It's never the artist giving a gift to me. This
It's
is
special?
awesome. Very special.
There you go.
せーの、かわいい、かっこいい、すごい。
Yeah. Thank you. ありがとうございます。Well, there's a popular question that we all like to ask artists that come here. What is the cutest, the coolest, and the most amazingest things to you guys?
私の思う可愛いはあれですね。恋愛をしている女の子はめちゃくちゃ可愛いと思います。キラキラしてるし。で、かっこいいは仕事に何でもいいのでこう自分のこう仕事に向かってすごくこう情熱的というか努力している人はかっこいいなって思います。すごいってなんだろう。すごい。でも今サイサイそのワールドツアー中なので本当常に新しい毎日を送っているので本当一日一日がすごいってことがたくさんありますです。
かわいいは、私は猫が好きです。So she likes cat. So
We love Neko Atsume.
猫集め。あ、ゲーム。
Yeah.
あ、ゲーム。猫。
That's fun.
私は4匹猫がいるのですごく好きです。で、かっこいいはスパイダーマン。すごいはいつもワールドツアーで飛行機乗るんですけど、飛行機ってすごいなと思います。飛行機はすごい怖いです。以上です。可愛くてかっこよくてすごいのは日本のアニメのセーラームーン。もう一個にまとめてそれです。
So Sailor Moon
Yeah,
is
Sailor
the whole. Yeah. Sailor Moon 大好き。
おお、セーラームーン。
I like Sailor Mercury.
あ、はい、なんだろうな、可愛いもかっこいいもすごいもその見た目とその行動どっちの時もすごく使うので、多分その3つの言葉全部人生で一番言うワードベスト5ぐらいに入ると思うんですけど、だから絞った方がいいんですかね。
絞らないとどうなる？
でも日本人1個に絞れないぐらい、絞れないぐらい日本人はめちゃくちゃ使う言葉です。3つとも。ありがとうございました。ありがとうございます。
Thank you. Thank you. This color.
Oh, it's so much cooler here.
Oh, it's nice here.
I was so nervous. In front of 4 pretty girls.
They are really pretty.
Very cute. Alright, so we got white chocolate. And we got a CD. This is great because this is going to be a great introduction. Actually, no, this event will be an introduction to their music for us. But then I can play it again later on the CD on the drive home.
And that should be their famous one, I think.
Yep.
Their top
Perfect.
single.
Perfect. Into the show now. Let's do this. Oh. Very small place. Just finished Silent Siren. How did you like the show?
It was really fun. They're really cute. My abs hurt because I stood on a chair.
It was a really surprisingly really awesome show. They're so super energetic. I think we got more than we wanted.
I took a lot of pictures too.
We took a lot of pictures.
And
But
videos.
in terms of like show, I think they went all out. They gave it like 300%.
They are so energetic.
And they
they're so cute.
over delivered. That's what I wanted to say. They over delivered their show. Awesome.
That's true showmanship right there. And true
Thank you.
professionalism.
Thank you, Silent Siren Management, for having us there. I'm looking out for our Uber right now, but that was an awesome show. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. Good night. Whoa.
I don't know what's going on.
Good night. It's Hollywood.